Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. It's 25 Christmas Countdown Craft Along with my crafty styles, so go over and check her out. It is day 17. ATC card, Christmas stocking themed. Got the cards, got a whole bunch of little stockings here. Let's see what we can create, eh? Got some paper. I want to use this, but I know it's not going to cover the whole card, so I am going to lay it down and glue and do my best, and then cut this fill in the backside. Hope you guys are enjoying these. I'm having a lot of fun creating these, and making them. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to get this so I can crease this, because this is a little thicker and I think it's going to be a struggle to actually bend that paper. So I'm just going to put it, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball a little bit. Oops, wrong side. So I can get it to bend, even if it's not right on it, but close enough just to help it along. You ever get a song stuck in your head? It just drives you crazy. Well, that's me at the moment. I got Wham stuck in my head. Wake me up before you go, go. It's like, oh God, come on, please, leave my noggin, would you? I watched a thing on Netflix earlier about them. He's very talented. George Michael. And it wasn't his real name either. It's a weird name I couldn't even say. So, I'm going to just go up a little bit. And I'm just going to cut. Hopefully I cut the big end. Awesome! Look at that. Cool. That's, you know what? I wonder if I should just, yeah, we'll do it. We'll just glue this down. The struggle's real, everybody. Lay it down. Look at it. I probably got a lot too much glue in there, but hey, what the. Now we're just gonna bend. Actually, I need to trim these corners a little bit. Go like that, and that, and that, and that. Okay. That's my daughter. Never fails. She knows I'm doing a video because I let her know. Yeah, because never fails. I start doing a video and the messenger rings or my phone rings. So, and it's usually Diamond. So I let her know now. Hey, doing a video. Hey, I'm live. So she just sent back a little Christmas tree saying she saw a message. Yeah, we got a Christmas tree. Just a knowledge that she saw the message. Come on. I don't want to stay down. Okay. This was a little piece I had left over for something in it. And I glued it on cardstock. You know what? I'm not liking how these ends look. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to trim it. Not working for me. That'll dry. There we go. All right. The back. Doesn't have to be pretty in the back. All right. There's front. Now, I have this. I think this is cool. I don't know what it's for, but it's a stocking. And that's the theme. Christmas stocking. And I thought I would add him. But then I thought it's an ATC card. If they could put it in the folder, they're like, it's too big. But I was just going to share with what I was going to do. I have these little itty bitty trees. I was going to take that out. Stick this in there. And then I was going to stick a little candy canes sticking out like so. Somehow. There we go. Come on. Work with me. Somehow. Okay, I'll put this in first then. Okay. I'll put the candy canes in first. Alright. Then. Alright. There we go. Something like that. Maybe a bigger tree. But would that look cute? I thought it would be cute. So I thought I'd just share that little thing today. But we're going to work with these. So what I'm thinking is put a little snowflake and put a little stocking in the snowflake. Oops. Cute. I like that. I like that. Except I want some ribbon on it underneath. I need something underneath it. Or, let's see. A red snowflake and the green. Ooh, I think I like the red. Okay, I'm gonna do the red. Okay, let's move the red off. The white. Or maybe one of each. Decisions. Or we can just do a little cluster and do one stocking. And this stocking. That's cute too. Decisions. Clustered with baby stocking. I think I'm gonna go back to what I said original, the white stockings, the white snowflakes in the colorful little stockings. So just add some ribbon to it. And I didn't grab my ribbon. Ribbon. Come here, ribbon. Oh. It needs something underneath. Just a little something. I was looking for that. That's what I was going to put on the back of that. I'll go find it. Well, let's see. Oh, it's amazing. Okay. I got such a mess here under my floor. If you guys could only see, you'll like, oh my god, you know. So that's cute right there. I'm finding stuff in this ribbon, like, why is it in the ribbon? Yeah. Because, okay. We're gonna bell this up. Yep. Okay. Across the bottom. I mean the top. We're gonna glam this one up. Come on. I'm gonna have to sharpen all my scissors out there, I think. Scott has this little sharpener. He sharpens my scissors, and I think they're due. I think they're due. Okay. Ooh. And then that, go like that. I think that's cute. And the snowflakes, and then a little stockings. Jesus, I couldn't think there what I was doing. It's like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing, Nina? Well, about my grandchildren, my four-legged grandchildren, their Christmas presents today. Yes, I buy my children's pets Christmas gifts too. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Oh, and then I dropped it. Got just a little bit on my finger. So, in the comments, guys, tell me if you've been liking these videos. I mean, I'm having fun doing these little Christmas card or tags and an ATC every other day. I'm having fun doing these. I've been using a lot of my stuff that I wouldn't normally probably use or have, and I think it's turning out good. Don't think I have anything small. Tiny. What's it say? Yeah. I'm trying to see if I had something real tiny I could use to put like across here. I mean, I think that's, oh, that don't look good. Actually looks pretty good right there. Right there, merry and bright. With or without decisions or decisions. I actually like it, so I'm going to use it. Okay. There we go. Let me heat that back up and remelt that. Alrighty. So we need to glam it a little bit. There. Nothing with glamming. Cool. I like it. I like. Alright, I am done, guys. So, like I said, today was Christmas stocking theme, December 17th, everybody. Make sure you go over and check out my Crafty Styles and see what she made. What do you think, guys? Come on, focus camera. There we go. Sometimes it's better if I keep it away. I love it. So, I will talk to you on the next one. Have fun, everybody. Enjoy your day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, and Merry Christmas!